What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Illegal Outdoorsman, and tonight we're out here running jugs and doing some fishing. We got my buddy Brodie right there, and we got, where's he at? We got DJ with us. You guys seen DJ before? You ain't never met Brodie, but he's a good one. We're out here on Fort Gibson Lake. We got 16 jugs out and 6 fishing poles, so hopefully we catch some catfish tonight. You guys stay tuned, and we'll be back with you. Alright, we're recording. Alright guys, we got fish on. There's the jug back there. We done checked too. We didn't catch nothing on the poles. There's fish on this one. I just missed it trying to catch it.
Yeah, it went underwater.
Completely. Good Lord.
There it is.
There it came back up. Hopefully you guys could see that. There it went again, gone again.
Sorry. It went under again.
Uh-oh.
It ain't coming back up now.
Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Oh, he come on.
Oh, man.
What? Yep, he come on. No, he come on. Freaking guard. Guaranteed. Dadgummit. All right, guys, stay tuned. Shoot. Oh. No. Oh. Nothing. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fish on. Good one.
Told you that one had a fish. Yeah, that's good.
Get in the boat, baby. Hey, that's a good one. Dang good fish right there. Heck yeah. Whoop whoop.
Yeah.
First one on the line, boys. Get the dang hook out of it. Switch hands.
Probably 5-pounder.
Yeah, probably. At least. Damn, I have to have the dang pliers.
Got some flash snapper there.
Right here, pliers. Oh, here we go, pliers.
That's a good one.
What in the heck? He was hooked good. He ain't coming on.
Told you I bought some good hooks. Mm.
All right, guys. First fish of the night. Not a bad little blue. So you guys stay tuned. All right, another jug standing up. Don't know if there's fish on or not. We're gonna find out. Oh, we're far away. Nothing. Nope. Well, no, ain't nothing. Bounced a couple times. Recording?
Yep.
Bounced a couple times. Let's see if there's something on. Nothing. What the heck? Here you go. All right, guys. Oh, I about fucking fell in. That'd been some content. Nothing. Damn. One fish, 16 jugs, 15 jugs. That's not good.
We got one more to find, though.
One more to find. You guys stay tuned. Hopefully it's got a big one on it. All right, guys. We're set up on the dock out here. Got old DJ. Can't see him. There's his light though. But we're trying to get after it, trying to get some content for y'all. It's been a long time since I posted a video. But we're gonna see what we do. Got cut perch. Caught one fish off the jugs. We'll edit some of them out. That way you guys ain't gotta see it. But stay tuned, hopefully we get into them. Well guys, we moved spots. Hard to see, but we moved spots because where we were was a bass fishing tournament with about 150 boats. Ain't that what they said, D?
Yeah.
150 boats. Good Lord. It was crazy. So we packed up. We come down here to the Fort Gibson Dam. So we're going to see what we can get done. You guys stay tuned. DJ's hooked up. Whoop whoop. Finally. Oh, yeah, catfish. Woo, barely got it. He come off. Heck yeah. There we go. Now we're getting awake. He'll eat. He'll stink up a skillet. That's for dang sure. So, good job, D. All right, let's get them out there and get another one. D's hooked up. Heck yeah, there we go. Come on, buddy. Gar. Golly.
Finally got him. All that time him trying to find that goldfish. Gosh, dang, that's a big dude.
Dude. That's a big gar, man. He's barely hooked too, I think. I wish I'd have got that hook set on camera.
Wish I had my bow.
There you go. Gonna break it. Got him. Been playing with DJ all day. They've been messing with his baits. He finally let him take it. We got him.
Pliers for this one.
Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright. There we go, got the hook out. That's a good one, man. That's a big one for sure. And the release. You crazy sucker. Now he knocked himself down. Heck yeah, dude. That's a fun fight, wasn't it?
Oh yeah. There and just
Alright guys, y'all stay tuned. Rip and drag.
A lot of it. Like a whole lot.
What in the world? You may need to tighten your drag a little bit. You still on her?
Oh yeah. Gosh. Oh. Yeah, that's stronger than that gar was. It ain't surfacing, it might be a cat. It's a good one, whatever it is. It'd be a giant turtle. We've caught everything else. That's the only thing we ain't caught.
What is it, guys? Oh, he's running. Probably another gar. Oh man, what is it?
I'm gonna go with cat because he ain't coming up. Gosh dang. There's a squirrel.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Can you see it yet?
No.
There it is. It's good size. Cat or gar, whatever. It's big.
Big old cat. Holy crap, dude.
Might need your help.
Freaking. Oh, look at this, guys. Hold on, let me back up. Man, look at that. Throw him to the side on him. Yeah, that's a good one, guys. Man, he probably go 20.
He's heavy.
Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Away from the water.
Yeah. We might have to go get some more goldfish.
I'll be going home anytime soon.
That's a good one for sure, man.
Definitely.
All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. Well, what time is it? I don't even remember.
Like 2 o'clock.
Like 2 o'clock? We just got home. We're tired. And Stetson left the door open. We're worn out. But hey, we did pretty good. We caught 3 catfish, 1 gar. Actually, DJ, he's the man. He caught them all, you know. I caught 1 on a jug, but that's kind of both of us. We had a lot of bites, so we did good. We had fun. We had a blast. I appreciate you coming out, D.
Thanks for the invite.
Yeah, no problem. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate the view. And make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll catch y'all later.